Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing a reproducible workflow. Fork or clone the target repo, then set Git's user. Name and user. Email so commits map to your profile. Once done, create a new branch for your work. This isolates changes and makes pull requests clean. Make deliberate, small commits with clear messages so each contributes to your graph. Also enable two-factor authentication and connect your local SSH key to GitHub to ensure push access and correct attribution for every contribution you make. You should prioritize issues that match your skill and provide measurable impact. Pick good first issue or help wanted tags to start. Then implement changes with tests and clear commit messages so maintainers accept them faster. Once implemented, run linters and the project's CI steps locally to prevent failing builds. When ready, push the branch and open a pull request describing the why and what. Maintain polite responsiveness to reviewers. Iterate quickly on requested changes to get merged and earn contributions. You finalize by addressing review feedback promptly. When asked, rebase or squash commits to keep history tidy and update the PR description if scope changes. Once approved, follow the repo's merge policy. Merge yourself or ask a maintainer. If your contribution doesn't appear on your profile, make sure the commit email matches a verified GitHub email and that the commit author is you. If problems persist, check for bot merges or attribution mismatches. Then correct author info and push an amended commit to restore attribution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.